No mountains, no forest, no epic scenery. No problem. I'm about to show you 5 ways to get amazing wildlife photos from anywhere. And as the examples for this, I'm just going to use the ponds that are a 10-minute walk from my house. Tip number 1 is to find the hidden interest. At first glance, the location might seem super boring, but if you really look around, there's usually something worth photographing. At the pond, I noticed a mossy tree branch, and I saw some wood ducks nearby. I figured that if I waited long enough, I could probably capture a shot of a wood duck on the mossy branch. And sure enough, it happened. Textures are another hidden gem. One snowy day, I thought about how female wood ducks don't get enough love for their beautiful plumage. They often get outshone by their husbands. So I captured a tight portrait of a female wood duck, highlighting her feathers with snow on them. Speaking of snow, tip number 2 is to go to these boring locations in interesting weather. I captured my favorite photo of a mallard, a pretty boring, common bird, but taking this shot during a blizzard made it way more interesting. Sure, it's uncomfortable being out there in the snow or rain or wind, but if you dress for it, you can turn any boring location into cool wildlife photos. Tip number 3, timing and patience. Even boring wildlife locations come alive at the right moment. This pond I visit has stunning lighting, but only at sunset. In the morning, the light doesn't really touch the water, but in the evening, the glow transforms all the waterfowl on it, turning a boring subject in a boring location into something magical. Tip number 4, look for the humor. One day I was at the boring pond and it was a super boring day. So I started filming slow motion videos of the birds wiggling their butts. I thought it was funny, posted it online, and the videos ended up doing really well. So get creative, look for the humor in what's going on around you. Tip number 5 is to watch for interesting behavior. Sitting at these ponds taught me a cool trick that ducks do. After feeding, landing, mating, or just interacting with each other, ducks often do this motion to fluff up and clean their feathers. If you see a duck do that, crank up your shutter speed because it's a perfect opportunity to capture the fluff in action. They do this almost every time they perform that motion. Even on seemingly boring days, you can learn a lot and get amazing shots. Thank you for watching, and if you want more bird photography tips, you can grab my free bird photography settings cheat sheet ebook. Link in the description below. Like and subscribe, and take care.